Pet parents, this unboxing is for you. I was so excited when I received this product because as a pet parent, sometimes you want to have a memento of your furry one or scaly one on your phone. And this shop delivers exactly that. This is what I got, you guys. This is a phone case. Specifically, it's an iPhone case. And this is a hand-drawn rendering of my puppy Pumpkin. It looks so realistic. I love it, and it's waterproof. So this is an iPhone cover, but look at it, guys. This I am super impressed. This is hand drawn, so that's what makes it so special. The company's name is Pawshaped, and they're on Etsy and Instagram. So if it is that you want a photo of your pet hand drawn, you guys, I don't know if I can stress this to you. This is not no regular thing. This is hand drawn. Look at the detail. I think that's what makes it so special. It's a pet portrait, but you can put it on your phone. So now I can take my dog everywhere I go. I can just whip this baby out and be like, this is my son. So guys, this is Sir Pumpkin in the flesh. And as you can see, he's just as excited about his case. So this has been my product unboxing of the pet portraits from Pawshaped. You can find them on Instagram or at their Etsy store at Pawshaped. So guys, you can check it out. And if it is that you want to get a pet portrait for your fur baby, then just use my code Thank You to get 15% off. So this has been my product unboxing. Thanks for watching. See you again soon and bye.